Hello, sports fans. Yet another update on the BSA Firebird. More eagle-eyed amongst you will notice something very strange here, especially at BSA. Give you a second to think about it. And it's some kind of a glitch in the matrix, I think. I don't know. I've never seen this before. But anyway, this troubled little motorcycle here that we have got running and all that kind of jazz. Look at that cardboard underneath there. This motorcycle has been sitting here for over 10 days in its present location, and there are no oil spots under it. And yes, it does have oil in the tank. It's been run. I don't get it. There's something wrong. I'm very frightened. This thing was very oily underneath. It was a real mess. I've gone through a whole box of those throwaway gloves and degreaser getting it cleaned up. But anyway, one thing I did do when I first got the bike, I noticed it was leaking from underneath, right around this gizmo here. Focus, yes, which is the manifold that goes to the oil tank and also the return. And there's a couple of O-rings in there, and the ones you get from your local BSA supplier look right, but they're really not thick enough. So I used those. It was still weeping, so I put a couple of basic generic O-rings in there that look like they stuck up just a little higher. They're a little thicker than the factory item, and tight as a drum. And it's I don't know. I'm not saying it's never going to leak, but this is really surprising. Anyway, just thought I'd share with all you folks out there, and have a nice day. Keep your stick on the ice.